I gotta say, I'm actually surprised. I mean, every one of them's a fail, like I called, but I got a lot more detail and stuff than I thought I was gonna get. So, the problem I had with the coin, first off, I'm an idiot, and second off, you know, still learning and all that. And I don't think this is the right way to be trying to make something like this anyway. But, so I had details in here, and I wasn't sure. I tried putting wording on the edges, which I can't believe how much of it actually picked up anyway. I mean, it really picked up a lot of that. And this side, I had down, and you know, this is where I said it was going to be a fail, because, like, how is it going to fill in? I mean, I wiggled it and pushed down into sand, but it got a lot more of that detail than I really thought it was gonna, you know. And then, you know, and I had it this way with the sprue here, and obviously not the right way to do it in any way, shape, or form, but yeah, it was interesting and learned something. So, and the F-bomb here, I had it this way, and I think with this one, I don't know if when I was pouring it was starting to run out the side, I think is where this one was. But otherwise, I mean, it actually filled in pretty darn well. I mean, it even got the wording on the side for the most part, and all the details here. You know, so yeah. Fail, but neat. And the anvil here. The anvil, I had a major failure when I was pouring it, and that actually turned out like the anvil part of it is pretty much how the foam was. I mean, it's got seam from the two foams, but I cut that base off of there, wire wheel it a little bit. That one might be good enough for just a simple little paperweight. So, yeah, like I said, first time casting anything out of pure zinc. Not the ideal way of doing it, not the ideal material, and definitely did not take my time and do proper techniques or anything that way, but, you know, I needed something to take my mind off of the snow. So, anyway, hope somebody found it interesting. I had a good time with it, sort of. And remember, you don't have to be the solution, just try not to be part of the problem.